Hey, welcome back. You are listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I'm your host, as always. Yes, it's Paul Motley here. And today it's Sunday. Gosh, the week is almost amongst us again. And it's going to be a short one tonight, mainly because personally I'm exhausted, but also that, there's been so much going on this week. And I just wanted to let you know that it's been crazy. It has been absolutely crazy. So going back on what we've said before, if you have been listening to the podcast before, then you will know everything that's gone and all the things that's been happening over the last couple of weeks. And it's been really amazing, to be honest. But also as well, I wanted to let you know that there are always opportunities out there for you. As far as building your affiliate business and building your email list and building your influence and everything that goes around it, there are always opportunities out there. And one of the best opportunities that I see, I am in a unique position at the moment because I get notified, I get told about current or future product launches which are going on, and that is just because of the fact that I've been able to do well with other product launches. But if you are searching and you're wondering how you can grow your income, your business and everything like that, then I highly recommend you going to a site called Munchai, right, which shows you all the sort of like launches that are going on to do with either JVZoo or Warrior Plus and things like that. They're all shown in a calendar format. So the best thing I would decide on doing, if you're just thinking, right, okay, well, I want to get into one of these launches, go and check every single one of the launches in the next month and see what resonates with you and what you're passionate about, because that is most likely something that you will or will at least resonate with the audience that you've been building. Because ultimately, if you have been building a list, then you should be building a list around your passions. So if you are passionate about something, then that is the reason why you are putting stuff out there. That is why people are joining your list in the first place. So if you find a product that resonates with you, then I highly recommend you going and talking to the product owners, seeing if you can get review access beforehand so that you can get ahead of the launch. And when I say get ahead of the launch, I'm talking about going and checking it out, seeing if you can get results, see if it works for you, and then trying to create content around that. And at least I'd say 2 weeks beforehand, start creating content about the topic of the actual launch itself. So there's been a couple which have gone on recently, which I've missed out on, and one of them was from a guy called Luke McGuire, and it was some of the products that Luke's brought out has been absolutely amazing, right? And it's all to do with Instagram growth and stuff like that, and it's not something that I do a lot of, so I missed out on this one. But he had an amazing contest, and it was all to do with scraping contact details from people through Instagram and growing, a great business through that as well. But what I wanted to say was that sometimes these things come up and it's available to you, and you should take advantage of it, because that is how you grow your business. That is how you can serve your audience, by giving them access to these things. Because as I said before, there are launches going on almost every single day that most people out there just are completely unaware of. So you might as well plug yourself in and think about, okay, right, well, how can I do this? How can I, get in front of people? And if it's the first time you're listening to the podcast itself, then make sure you subscribe and all that good stuff, and go back through the episodes, because there will be a section on there. There will be an episode talking about launch jacking and how you can actually get in front of launches and get yourself into leadership on the leaderboards and stuff like that. And it's something that I've done in the short term and also long term as well. Typical example was, I think it was could have been even September. I don't know, well, we're in September now, but it could have been August or September or something like that. I forget my months totally. The year has gone crazy. Samcart brought something out, and they had a special going, and they had a pre-launch, and I came third in their pre-launch, which got me an amazing prize as well as some great commissions going forward as well. So these are the type of things that you can do if you plan it out correctly. And it doesn't matter where you're coming from, how big your list is, or anything like that. There are opportunities out there. So I just wanted to make you guys aware that you can do this, and there is always opportunities out there for you. So I just want to sign this off real quick and make sure that you are aware and that you plan your week coming forward. Go check out Munchai, go and see what is available to you, and just drill down on something and go for it 110%. Anyway, that's me out, and I'll catch you up again tomorrow.